YouTube Shorts is a feature on YouTube that is basically just like TikTok, but the only thing is that it's available for everyone on YouTube. As you probably know, TikTok has a crazy algorithm that basically lets everyone who's just starting out on the platform to have infinite possibilities to grow. You may have never made a video before, but then you just went to TikTok and uploaded a couple of first videos and they had a really easy chance of being seen by a lot of people. And now the exact same possibility is available on YouTube as well, and that is called YouTube Shorts. It has pretty much the same algorithm as TikTok. I think this feature is still not fully launched. It's still in a beta version or something, but everyone, including you, can still use this and it's really effective. I've seen people grow their accounts to hundreds of thousands of subscribers in just a few weeks just by uploading shorts. If you don't know how you can watch YouTube Shorts videos, then you can only do this on your phone, and I'm going to show you exactly how. So you're on your homepage in YouTube, in your YouTube app, and you just scroll down on the homepage and you can see here is Shorts beta version, and then you can just scroll through these videos, you can click on them, and just like TikTok, by swiping up, it's loud as fuck. By swiping up, you can go to the next video. So it works just like TikTok, the algorithm acts just like TikTok. It's basically TikTok but in YouTube. I mean, it's not like YouTube has ever stolen any other ideas from other apps. So the way you can upload shorts right away is you need to have, I think, 2 or 3 things maybe. So the first thing is that your video has to be vertical with a 9:16 ratio, or it can be square as well actually, or anything in between that. So basically that makes it really easy to just make videos with your phone. The second thing is that the video can't be longer than 1 minute. If it's longer than 1 minute, then it doesn't count as shorts anymore and it's not going to be thrown in the same algorithm as YouTube Shorts. And the third and the last thing you have to do, or I'm not sure if this is optional or it's something you have to do, but I've seen a lot of people say that you need to put #shorts in the end of your YouTube video titles. I use this in my own titles as well. Seems to help, I don't know, but it doesn't hurt to use it. But anyways, I wanted to test this shorts thing myself on one of my other channels, which is for clips. I don't use this channel or promote this channel much, but a week ago I did upload my first shorts videos, you can see, with the #shorts. And as you can see, I have 40 subscribers on this channel. And this video has almost 400 views. If you are just starting out your YouTube channel right now and you are at the same place somewhere where this channel is with 40 subscribers or similar, then I think right away you should have a bell icon on top of your head right now going off, saying that, man, I should try shorts. When we take a closer look, you can see that this shorts video has more than double the views than my second best video, which was actually a good video. Like this shorts video, it's just a pretty simple clip that I just downloaded from my Twitch channel. And now looking at the analytics of the shorts clip, you can see that it didn't blow up within the first like 24 hours or so. It just started to blow up out of nowhere within the second day. I don't know what happened. I don't know how, it just happened. It works just like TikTok. It's amazing. I like it. I can't stress this enough. If you're a new channel, you should already definitely consider doing some quality shorts videos. And I even got 1 subscriber, which is always nice. You can see the views kind of stopped after like 4 days or so. And I think this might be because I wasn't being consistent. I was just uploading 1 short clip and, you know, it was there for a short time, then it was taken off because YouTube saw that I didn't upload anymore. So definitely consistency might be a thing here. And in the YouTube analytics, we also have something new that we didn't have before. If we take a look at where our views came from, then here's this new thing called shorts. So this is where almost 90% of this video's views came from, which is insane. Literally, I think this shorts thing is either really OP or just broken. Because that is insane. Getting these types of stats with a normal YouTube video in the old ways, it was nearly impossible. You really had to have like the best video possible. But with shorts, you can just upload random videos and get hundreds of views, even if you don't have any subscribers. Since I tested this only with 1 clip, so I wasn't being consistent, I wanted to try what would happen if I would try to be a little bit more consistent. So what I did here is I scheduled 7 more YouTube Shorts clips to see if being more consistent yields better results. They're gonna be uploaded one by one every day for the next week. One of them went already public this morning. These clips are all just some of my favorite Twitch clips from my own Twitch. So it's really nothing special. It took me only like 2 hours to edit those clips and upload them here. So in a week or two, I'm gonna come back to this channel and we're gonna see how much we can achieve with just 2 hours of work. Okay, so it's been a little bit over a week since we started this experiment. It's been about 9 days or so. So let's take a look at what is going on our YouTube channel. I have pretty much no idea what we're gonna see here, but I do know I accidentally sold one thing and I do think that you will be pleasantly surprised. So let's click on our channel, sort everything by videos, and holy shit. Wow, what? I did not expect this. So we started the experiment by uploading this video. We have 43 subscribers, so we only gained 3 subscribers, which is okay, fair enough. But look at the views, bro. 374, 500, 800, and also 700 views. Dude, what? I did not expect this at all. I was pretty sure we're gonna get like 100 views per each video, but this is insane. Guys, if you're just starting out with content, man, just do short. Do them consistently and actually put in some effort, because all these videos here are really low effort. I think the results speak to themselves. I don't really have to say anything here. Let's see, what do we have in the YouTube studios. In total, we got almost 3,000 views, and that is with only 40 subscribers. I'm just gonna end the video here. I don't have anything else to say really. If you have any more thoughts on this, then make sure to leave a comment down below. Subscribe if you haven't yet to see similar kinds of videos in the future as well. And if you want to, you can even leave a like on this video. That would help me a lot. Anyways, that's it for me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. GG.